सब्सक्राइब करें टेक्निकल टेक चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि पास सके आप लेटेस्ट टेक्निकल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi guys, this is Manu here from Xiaomi India and I have with me the amazing, incredible देश का दमदार smartphone Redmi 8A. We launched this phone about 4 months ago and since then we've been selling lakhs and lakhs of this phone every single month. And why not? ये है देश का true दमदार smartphone. 5000 mAh बैटरी जो 2 दिन चलती है. This is probably the only phone in the price segment जो कि Type-C charging port के साथ आता है with up to 18 watt fast charge. The only phone in the price segment जिसका है Gorilla Glass 5 जो गिरने से भी नहीं टूटेगा. Plus, this has a very amazing Aura wave grip design and has a very powerful Snapdragon 439 processor. And now, your favorite Redmi 8A also comes with Google Lens. So Mi fans, आप मुझे बताइए क्या हम Redmi 8A को और ज़्यादा improve कर सकते हैं? I believe, of course yes, we can make it even better. तो मुझे suggestions दीजिए, हम लोग और क्या कर सकते हैं? Please let us know in the comments below and stay tuned to our social media channels because we are revealing something new.
Hey there, a very warm welcome to all of you. Now, it's been quite some time since we last caught up. In fact, we just had a launch before Diwali. And Diwali 2019 was stellar for all of us here at Xiaomi India. We sold more than 12 million devices. But what's even more interesting is we sold more than 8.5 million smartphones in that single month. What actually happens in the industry right after Diwali is interesting. Every year, Diwali is a high point and after that the sales normally dip in November and December. But for Xiaomi India, with our Redmi 8 family, we've had a phenomenal winter season. In fact, every month we are continuing to sell millions of our 8th generation devices till today. Amongst this, no surprises, the Redmi A series has seen an amazing uptake. The Redmi A series continues to be the dominant selling phone in this price segment, not just in India, but globally. It's changing the entire market as we know it. So to meet this overwhelming demand, we thought, why not make the Redmi 8A 2020 ready? So let me introduce to you the all-new Redmi 8A Dual, Desh ka damdar smartphone. And to talk more about this product, let me call upon the product PR guy, Kabir.
Hey guys, welcome to the first official unboxing of the Redmi 8A Dual. Let's check out what we have in store this time. So in the box, we have the Redmi 8A Dual, the Type-C charging cable and the 10-watt fast charger. The Redmi 8A Dual also comes with the Type-C charging port along with support for 18-watt fast charging. This means that our entire Redmi smartphone portfolio supports 18-watt fast charging over USB Type-C. Now let's get into the design. If you guys remember, Redmi 8A featured the Aura wave grip design. It received a lot of love and praise. So we decided to take it up a notch. With the Redmi 8A Dual, you get the Aura X Grip design. it brings a much more premium feel as well as a better grip. The mesh texture on the back keeps all the fingerprints away. Overall, you get the same damdar experience as the Redmi 8A with the 6.22-inch dot-notch HD Plus IPS display, which brings much more screen real estate, leading to a captivating viewing experience. The Redmi 8A Dual is going to be available in 3 new color variants: the sea blue, the sky white, and the midnight grey. Well, have you noticed something different about the Redmi 8A Dual? Yes, it's the camera. To talk more about it, let me introduce you to Ankit Vengurlekar, a resident gadgetwala at Xiaomi India.
I'm really excited about the camera, in fact cameras, on the Redmi 8A Dual. At Redmi, we know how important it is for you to take pictures of everything. Hashtag woke up like this. Hashtag OOTD. Having a great day? Click. Having a not so great day? Click. Which is why we have updated the cameras on the Redmi 8A Dual on the rear to a dual setup. We now have a 13 megapixel primary camera along with a 2 megapixel depth sensor, along with incredible features like AI scene detection and AI portrait mode. Frankly, the portrait mode is my favorite. It works along with the lenses to give you beautiful creamy bokeh and background blur, just looking like a DSLR shot. And we've also got the portrait mode to work on the 8 megapixel front-facing selfie camera, ensuring you always get stunning looking selfies. Let's take a look at some of the pictures shot on the Redmi 8A Dual. I'd like you to look at this gorgeous vertical landscape shot. This is not an easy one. You understand dynamic range, right? How well shadows and highlights are being exposed. And there's everything that could go wrong in this picture, but the Redmi 8A Dual cameras handle it beautifully. Look at the sky, it's so well colored and well exposed, and the shadow that the roof rails are creating is so well managed. No under or overexposure in this shot. Let's look at this low angle shot. Love the framing here, man walking in the distance, and the beautiful dhoop chow effect of the roof rails on the ground over there. That is the beauty of the Redmi 8A Dual. And oh my god, let's look at the portraits here. With the dual camera assembly and AI portrait mode, look at how beautifully sunlight is falling on the face. Skin tones are perfect. This is such a great moody shot. And can one ever have enough shots of beautiful lush pink bougainvillea? Love the details on this one. That is the Redmi 8A Dual camera setup, ready to blow your mind every single time.
So, to sum it up, the Redmi 8A Dual comes with an all-new Aura X Grip design. Now, this is an improvement over the much-loved Wave Grip design. And not just that, as you just saw, it also comes with some impressive cameras to take all your epic moments. And it also comes with the cool feature that you guys all loved. Yes, Google Lens is integrated into the camera itself, so you can translate what you see in your own language wherever you are. So when it comes to power and performance, the Redmi 8A Dual comes with the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 439 processor. Now this is a 2 GHz processor built on 12 nanometer process, which means it's efficient and it can also handle all your tasks, whether you're multitasking apps or casual gaming with ease. And you need not worry about running out of storage space either, because the Redmi 8A Dual comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot. You can add up to 512 GB and carry all your data everywhere. This also frees up both the SIM slots, so you can actually have a true dual SIM device. The good news is both these SIM slots support VoLTE, and for those of you who have trouble getting phone calls indoors, I have some good news. The 8A Dual comes with voice over Wi-Fi or VO Wi-Fi out of the box. That means you can use your home or office Wi-Fi to actually make calls, so it doesn't really matter where you are. Now with a 2-day and a massive 5000 mAh battery life, you are sorted and you don't have to worry about running out of charge. Whether it's really long phone calls or hours and hours and hours on social media. And when you are actually low on juice, just hook it up to an 18 watt fast charger and you'll be back up in no time. Now the Redmi 8A Dual comes with Type-C port, something that our fans have come to expect from us. Another thing that we're adding on is reverse charging. You must have heard with great power comes great responsibility. Now when you have 5000 mAh on your 8A Dual, थोड़ा share करना तो बनता है. To make the 8A Dual solid and reliable, we have been obsessed with quality. In fact, we've gone to great lengths to test this device out. Few of the tests that we do are incredible. We do accelerated life test or ALT. Now this is various temperatures and various humidity levels to ensure that the 8A Dual works perfectly wherever you are in the country. We also go through a series of drop tests just to ensure that your 8A Dual is built perfectly and solid. Sometimes we even take it to an obsessive level. For example, your 8A Dual is actually tested against salt water corrosion. Fun fact, every unit of the Redmi 8A Dual goes through 23 hours of various quality tests just so that you get the perfect device every single time. We've also partnered with the best out there. For example, the Redmi 8A Dual's screen is actually protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass 5. Now this has it protected against scratches as well as drops. And for those accidental spills or the times that you've gotten caught out in the rain, we have you covered with P2I's nano coating on the 8A Dual.
Thank you Sharma ji for taking us through Desh ka damdar smartphone Redmi 8A Dual. Just to recap, this is an incredible phone. Comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor and an amazing dual camera setup. And probably the only phone in the price segment to come with a Type-C port, up to 18 watt fast charging support, Gorilla Glass 5 in the front, and of course P2I nano coating, which makes it splash proof. And it comes with Xiaomi ka bharosa. That means you can get service at more than 2,000 service centers across the country. We are launching 2GB, 32GB variant at only rupees 6,499, and the 3GB, 32GB variant is being launched at 6,999. So where can you buy Desh ka damdar smartphone Redmi 8A Dual? It will be available 1 week from now on 18th of February across our partner platform Amazon.in, Me.com and Me Home stores, and will be soon available across all our offline stores including Me stores, Me preferred partners and all the retail chains.